We all crave change. We long for a fresh start, a chance to rewrite our stories. Life can become monotonous. We may feel stuck, unsure of how to break free. Reinvention is the answer. It's the key to unlocking our true potential. It's about embracing the unknown and stepping into a better version of ourselves. Reinvention is not about becoming someone new. It's about rediscovering who we truly are. We shed old habits and limiting beliefs. We embrace our strengths and passions. This journey is about growth, self-discovery, and living a more fulfilling life. It can be daunting, change can be scary, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine waking up every day excited about life. Picture yourself pursuing your passions with confidence. This is the power of reinvention. This is your invitation. Take the first step. Embrace the transformative journey of reinvention. Your future self will thank you for it. We often stay rooted in the same spot. We resist change. We tell ourselves we're too old, too scared, or too set in our ways. But we are not trees. We have the power to move, to grow, to transform. Reinvention is a continuous process. It's a lifelong commitment to becoming the best version of ourselves. It's about shedding layers and embracing growth. It's about learning, adapting, and evolving. There's a beautiful quote by Dr. Seuss. "Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better." It's not. This resonates deeply with the idea of reinvention. We must care enough about ourselves, we must be willing to put in the effort. Change won't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. Embrace the ups and downs. Celebrate the small victories. Remember, you are capable of incredible things. You just have to believe it. Reinvention starts from within. It's deeply personal. Before you can change your life, you need to understand why. What's driving you? What do you want to change? These questions are crucial. Dig deep. Your why is your compass. It will guide you through the challenges ahead. It will keep you motivated. It will remind you why you started in the first place. Maybe you're unhappy in your career. Perhaps your relationships feel unfulfilling. You might simply crave more out of life. Whatever the reason, acknowledge it. Own it. Write down your why. Keep it somewhere visible. Let it serve as a daily reminder of your commitment to change. Your transformation begins with this single, powerful step. We all have them, those nagging whispers of discontent. They tell us we're not good enough. They remind us of our past mistakes. They plant seeds of doubt. Don't ignore these whispers. Listen to them. They're trying to tell you something. They're pointing you towards areas of your life that need attention. Are you unhappy with your job? Do you feel stuck in a rut? Are you yearning for more creativity in your life? These whispers hold the clues to your reinvention. Instead of silencing them, embrace them. Use them as fuel for change. Turn your discontent into action. Let those whispers guide you towards a more fulfilling life. Reinvention is about aligning your life with your purpose. It's about identifying your passions and pursuing them with gusto. It's about living a life that feels authentic and meaningful. What makes you come alive? What are you naturally drawn to? What brings you joy? These are all clues to your purpose. Discovering your purpose isn't always easy. It takes time, introspection, and experimentation. Try new things. Explore different interests. Step outside of your comfort zone. When you connect with your purpose, you'll feel it. It will energize you. It will give you a sense of direction. It will make the journey of reinvention feel effortless and exhilarating. Reinvention doesn't require a complete life overhaul. Start small. Focus on one area at a time. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Break down your goals into manageable steps. Want to change careers? Take a course. Network with people in your desired field. Update your resume. Each step, however small, moves you closer to your goal. Focus on consistency. Make small changes daily. These daily actions build momentum. They create lasting transformation. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. Change is uncomfortable. It's unfamiliar. It challenges us. Embrace the discomfort. It's a sign of growth. Stepping outside of your comfort zone is where the magic happens. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of the process. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, let them guide you. Remember, you are capable of more than you think. You are stronger than you realize. Embrace the challenges. They will shape you into the person you're meant to be. Cultivating self-compassion. Reinvention is a journey, not a race. Be kind to yourself along the way. You will face setbacks, you will have moments of doubt. That's okay, it's part of the process. Practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to a close friend. Offer yourself words of encouragement and support. Celebrate your progress. Remember, you are worthy of love and respect, especially from yourself. Be patient, be kind, enjoy the journey. Rewrite your narrative. We all have stories we tell ourselves. These stories shape our beliefs about who we are and what we're capable of. Sometimes these stories hold us back. Identify the negative narratives that no longer serve you. Are you telling yourself you're too old to change careers? Are you convinced you're not creative enough to pursue your passions? Challenge these narratives, rewrite them. Create new stories that empower you. Believe in your ability to change and grow. You have the power to create the life you want. Stories of transformation. Stories have power. They inspire us. They remind us that change is possible. Hearing about others who have successfully reinvented themselves can ignite our own desire for transformation. We see ourselves in their journeys. We find hope in their triumphs. Throughout history, countless individuals have dared to reinvent themselves. They've shattered expectations. They've proven that it's never too late to pursue your dreams. Their stories are a testament to the power of the human spirit. Think about Julia Child. She didn't discover her passion for cooking until her late 30s. She went on to become a celebrated chef, author, and television personality. Her story teaches us that it's never too late to find our calling. Or consider Vera Wang. She worked as a figure skater and journalist before entering the fashion world at age 40. She's now a renowned bridal wear designer. Her story highlights the importance of embracing new challenges and pursuing our passions, no matter our age. From corporate cubicle to culinary star, meet Sarah. For years, Sarah felt trapped, stuck in a soul-crushing corporate job. She longed for something more. Her days were a blur of spreadsheets and meetings, devoid of passion and creativity. Deep down, Sarah harbored a secret dream: to open her own bakery. Baking had always been Sarah's solace. It was her creative outlet, her happy place. The smell of warm vanilla and cinnamon filled her with joy. She would spend her weekends whipping up delicious treats for friends and family, her kitchen transformed into a haven of flour, sugar, and pure delight. One day, Sarah decided to take a leap of faith. Encouraged by the positive feedback from her friends and family, she enrolled in a pastry-making course. She spent her evenings learning the art of creating delicate croissants, decadent cakes, and mouth-watering pastries. The more she learned, the more her passion ignited. Sarah started small. She began selling her baked goods at local farmers markets. Word spread quickly about her delicious creations. Soon, she had a loyal following. People lined up every weekend, eager to get a taste of Sarah's culinary magic. We all have that voice inside our heads, the one that whispers doubts and fears, the one that tells us we're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy. That voice is the inner critic, and it can be one of the biggest obstacles to reinvention. The inner critic thrives on fear. It feeds on our insecurities. It wants to keep us small and safe, even if it means sacrificing our dreams. But here's the thing, we don't have to listen to it. The first step to navigating the inner critic is to become aware of it. Notice when it pops up. Pay attention to the negative thoughts and limiting beliefs it throws your way. Once you're aware of it, you can start to challenge it. Don't believe everything you think. Just because your inner critic says you can't do something doesn't mean it's true. Challenge those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, your accomplishments, your potential. Section 2. The fear factor. Fear is a natural part of life. It's our body's way of protecting us from harm. But when it comes to reinvention, fear can be paralyzing. It can keep us stuck in our comfort zones, afraid to take risks and pursue our dreams. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of judgment. These are just a few of the fears we might encounter on our reinvention journeys. It's important to acknowledge these fears, but not let them control us. One of the best ways to overcome fear is to take action in spite of it. The more we face our fears, the less power they have over us. Start small if you need to. Take baby steps outside of your comfort zone. Each step, no matter how small, will build your confidence and chip away at your fear. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear. It's feeling the fear and doing it anyway. It's about taking that leap of faith, even when you're not sure where you'll land. Section 3, Staying the Course. Reinvention is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, moments of doubt and moments of triumph. It's important to stay the course, even when things get tough. Motivation can wax and wane. There will be days when you feel inspired and energized, and days when you want to give up. That's okay, it's all part of the process. The key is to have strategies in place to help you stay motivated when those inevitable dips in enthusiasm hit. One helpful strategy is to connect with your why. Remember why you embarked on this journey in the first place. What are you hoping to achieve? What are you passionate about? Keeping your why front and center will help you stay focused and motivated when challenges arise. Another helpful strategy is to break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will not only make the journey less overwhelming, but will also give you a sense of accomplishment as you check each step off your list. The power of support. Reinvention can be a lonely journey at times. It's important to surround yourself with people who support your dreams and encourage your growth. These are the people who will celebrate your victories, offer a shoulder to cry on when setbacks occur, and remind you of your strength and resilience when you forget. Seek out mentors, coaches, or support groups. Connect with people who have gone through similar journeys of reinvention. Their experiences and insights can be invaluable. Share your goals, your challenges, and your successes with people you trust. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are people out there who want to see you succeed. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Your time is now. Reinvention is a courageous act. It's a declaration of self-love. You're choosing yourself, your growth, your happiness. It's about honoring your potential and creating a life that truly lights you up. There will never be a perfect time to start. Life will always have its challenges and distractions. Don't wait for permission or a sign. The time is now. Take that first step, however small. You are capable of amazing things. You are not alone on this journey. Countless others have walked this path before you. They faced their fears, embraced the unknown, and emerged stronger, wiser, and more fulfilled. Their stories are proof that transformation is possible. Embrace the unknown. Reinvention is about embracing the unknown. It's about letting go of the familiar and stepping into the vast expanse of possibility. It's about trusting yourself, your intuition, and the journey unfolding before you. There will be moments of doubt, of uncertainty, of fear. Embrace them. They are part of the process. They are the birth pangs of something new and extraordinary. Let go of the need for perfection. There's beauty in imperfection in the raw and messy process of becoming. Embrace your mistakes, your setbacks, your detours. They are all part of your unique journey. A promise to yourself. As you embark on this journey of reinvention, make a promise to yourself. Promise to be kind to yourself, to celebrate your progress, to embrace the journey with all its twists and turns. Promise to listen to your heart, to honor your dreams, to never give up on yourself. You are worthy of a life filled with passion, purpose, and joy. And most importantly, promise to enjoy the ride. Reinvention is not just about the destination. It's about savoring every step of the journey, every lesson learned, every obstacle overcome. It's about embracing the beauty of becoming.